The best dressing for your Cobb salad is here. Super easy to make. Let me show you how. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I have a lot of simple recipes that'll get you cooking and feel really confident in the kitchen. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together twice a week. Making salad dressing is super simple. If you have a blender, you can make one. You'll need olive oil and vinegar and a couple of other ingredients, but first, a garlic clove. Check this out. Small or large, the bigger the garlic clove, the more garlicky your dressing will be. So add to your liking. To make the dressing rich and creamy, we're adding Dijon mustard. We're gonna add some red wine vinegar. To give this dressing some freshness, I'm adding some lemon juice. To sweeten it up and balance the acidity, we'll add some honey, we'll add some salt, and some ground pepper. We're gonna hold off on adding the olive oil until we mix the other ingredients. So let's blend this for about 30 seconds to a minute until the garlic is no longer there. So what we're gonna do is add the olive oil right through the top on low to medium speed, and as it blends, it's going to emulsify the olive oil with the other ingredients and give our dressing that rich and creamy texture that we all love. Let's pour it directly into an old dressing bottle that I now use for all of my homemade dressings. This Cobb salad dressing will last a week in the fridge, and it's perfect for drizzling over an epic Cobb salad like this one, so make sure to watch that next. See you soon.